How to add a button to download a PDF with your Squarespace. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you how to create a button where people, if anybody visits your site and you want them to download a PDF, we can just go ahead and create a button once they click on it, and it's just going to pretty much download the PDF for them. So it's actually very simple to do within our Squarespace. It's very easy to do, and I'll show you how to do so right now. So first you will need to open up your Squarespace account and just go to website here where you want to pretty much just click on edit on the top left. And then here you would want to basically find the section where you want to add the button in. Let's just say I just want to add it here for the sake of this video. I'm just going to make space for it real quick. And now I can just click on add block right on top here of the actual section that I want to add it in. And once you do that, you should find the button element. So you can just go ahead and drag and drop it wherever you like. So we should have a button that says learn more by default, and it does pretty much nothing yet. So what we need to do is just go ahead and click on the edit pencil here. And once we click on that, we are pretty much just going to change the text so it is more suitable. So we can actually type in something like get this PDF or whatever you actually want to say here. And you can also adjust the design if you want. It's completely up to you how you want it to be. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Okay, great. So now the next step is very important. You want to locate the link here and click on attach link. Once you do that, you can attach this button to any link here or to any URL or website, but we don't want that. Instead, what you want to do is just go ahead and click on URL, and then you want to click on file. And once you do that, basically you want to click on the upload icon right here. So just go ahead and click on that, and then from here it's just going to open up your PC here, so you can actually go ahead and select the file. I just have this sample PDF file, and I'm just going to be using it. So I'm just going to double click on it, and then it's not going to work yet. You'll need to click on attach link once more, and if you just go back to file, you should find this file here now, which is the one that we uploaded. Just go ahead and click on the square icon next to it. Just make sure you tick that file, and now it's pretty much good to go. So now what we need to look at is once we click on this button and click on edit, we should find the text, and we should find underneath sample file or whichever the name is for your PDF file. If it says this, then we are pretty much good to go. We can just go ahead and click on save on the top left. And if we just go ahead and exit, we can just try this in the preview mode, which I'm not sure is actually going to work. Let's just go ahead and test this out. But if someone, yeah, it's just going to go ahead and work for us, where people just can click on download on the top right, and they will be able to download the PDF file. So this is pretty much how to do it. It's very easy and simple. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.